Hey, good afternoon, guys. Hope everyone is okay. So welcome to my channel. So in today's lessons, we'll be answering these simplification problems from past papers. So these questions, I got them from your past papers. That's GC and the internal examination. So I'll show you how to answer these questions with ease. So let me start with the first one. So the first one, we have two open brackets, y minus 3, then minus 3, 2 minus y. So the first part here, we're going to expand. So 2 times y, we're going to have 2y minus, then 2 times 3, that's 6. Mind you have to multiply with the sign. So it's positive 2 times negative 3, which is negative 6. Again here, negative 2 times negative 3 times 2, we're going to have negative 6. Then negative 3 times negative y, we're going to have positive 3y. Because negative times negative, the answer is positive. Then 3 times y, the answer is 3y. Then at this stage, we can just get the like term. The like term, this is y. We're going to get 2y and 3y. We put them together because they are like terms. So 2y plus 3y, then negative 6 minus 6. We know that if you have same sign, you're supposed to add and maintain the sign. So this is the same as 6 plus 6, then you just maintain the sign. So the answer will be negative what? 12. Then we can simplify this one further. We're going to have 2y plus 3y. You're going to have that 5y minus 12. That's our answer. Why? Because these are not like terms. So we end here. So as simple as that, you can score some marks. Then we have the second one, which is 3, 2x minus 4, then minus 2x minus 1. So for this one, as usual, we begin by expanding. So we're going to have 3 times 2x, we're going to have 6x, then 3 times negative 4. 3 times negative 4. So it's more like you're multiplying positive times negative. We know that it's negative. So the answer is supposed to be negative what? 12. Yeah, don't forget the signs. Positive times negative. The answer is negative. Then negative 2 times x, we're going to have negative 2x. Then negative 2 times negative 1, we're going to have positive 2. Then at this stage, guys, we just get the like terms. So we're going to have 6x and 2x. We group them together since they are like terms. Then negative 12 plus 2, negative 12 plus 2. It's more like we are subtracting 12 minus 2. Then we get a sign from the bigger number. So the answer will be negative what? 10. Then we're going to have 6 minus 2. We're going to have before x minus 10 as our answer. Hope it's clear, guys. So here, don't forget the signs. Negative 2 times x, negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 1, that's positive 2. So the third one, we have 4x minus 2 plus 3, open brackets, 2x minus 3. So as usual, we expand. So we're going to have 4 times x, that's 4x. And 4 times negative 2, we're going to have negative 8. Then 3 times 2, we're going to have 6x. Then 3 times negative 3, that's negative what? 9. Why? Because positive times negative, the answer is negative. So be mindful of the sign, guys. Yeah, because once you miss the sign, then everything will be incorrect. So now we get the like terms here. So we have 4x and 6x. We are going to have 4x plus 6x, then negative 8 minus 9. So this will be 10x, then negative 8 minus 9. We know that same sign, we just add and maintain the sign. So it's more like we're just adding 8 plus 9, then we maintain the sign. So the sign there definitely will be negative. Yeah, so we just now add 8 plus 9. So we know that 8 plus 8 is 16. So since we have 9, the answer there is 17. Hope it's clear, guys. Then we have question 4. So question 4, yes, so we have uh, that's 2a minus 5b, open brackets, a minus b, then plus c, ab, like that. Okay, so it's simple and straightforward. So as usual, the first part, we're going to write 2a minus, then expand here. So negative 5b times a, we're going to have negative 5ba. Since you have 5b times a, it's 5ba. So it's the negative sign. Then negative 5b multiplied by negative b. So negative times negative, guys, we know that is positive. So we're going to have positive 5b squared. Since b times b is b squared, not 2b. 2b result when you have b plus b. But since it's b times b, you have b squared. Then plus c, ab. Hope it's clear, guys. Then here we just get the like terms. So I'm going to have 2a. So 2a, yeah, it's on alone a. Then we have negative 5ba plus c ba. So these two, they are are they like terms or unlike terms? So we have negative 5ba plus ab plus 5b squared, like this. So BA and AB, are they the same or what? So let me give you an example. If you have B times A and you have A times B, so the answer here is BA and the answer there is AB. So in mathematics, if you have 2 times 3, the answer is 6. This is the same as 3 times 2. The answer is also what? See? 6. So even in our case here, these two, they are like terms. So we are going to have 2a. It's more, since we have negative here, it's more like we are subtracting. The coefficient there is 1, guys. The coefficient of AB is 1. So it's more like negative 5 plus 1. So negative 5 plus 1, the answer is negative 4. So the answer here, we're going to have negative 4 4ba plus 5b squared. That's the answer. Why? Because 2a is just alone, even this, even 5b squared. That's how we answer that question. Then we have question 5, guys. We have 2x plus 3y minus 4x minus 2. So we're going to multiply here. 2 times x, we're going to have 2x plus 6y minus, if you multiply there, 12x, then you're going to have 6. So then you get the right term, guys. So you're going to have 2x minus 12x plus 6y plus 6. Then you subtract here. So 2x minus 12x, you're going to have negative 10x plus 6y plus 6 as our answer. Yeah, hope it's clear. Then the last one, guys, we have 3 4x minus 5, then plus 2. This is simple. You just expand. You're going to have 12x minus 15 plus 2. So we're going to have 12x, then negative 15 plus 2. Negative 15 plus 2, we know that you subtract and get a sign from the bigger number. So the answer there is negative 13 as our final answer. Thank you, guys. Thank you.